The roller coaster ride. Creak. Deep.
Creep. Creak, I think is sound. Creak is a verb. Yeah, that sound, creak sound. What's
Canvas.
Good.
Canvas.
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 Creek.
Creak.
Creek.
Creak.
Creek.
Creak. To make a light.
High sound. Okay.
To make a sound like the sound made by an old door when it opens or closes.
Okay, so the door opens, and you can hear the sound. Some older door, you can hear it, right? That's a creak.
Creek.
Creak. Verb.
Okay, it's a verb actually. Creak, open. No, creak. Okay. Okay.
The door creaked open.
Okay.
The door made a creak sound.
Creaking.
Creaking sound. It as it opened.
Okay.
Creek.
Creak.
Okay. Creaked. Creak. Creep. Both of them. Okay. Creak. Creep. What's that?
Creak.
Creek.
Creak.
Creek.
Creak.
Creek.
Verb. The door creaked open. Creaked open.
Okay.
The door made a creaking sound as it opened.
Okay. Here's a verb. Creep. Creep. Negative crawl.
Creep.
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 Okay.
To move slowly with the body close to the ground.
Okay. Look, read it here. Up to no, read.
A spider was creeping.
Okay.
Creep.
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 Can spell.
C-R-E-E-P. Creep.
Okay. Crouch. Yeah, I think this one's crawl. Anyway.
Creep. Creep. Creep.
Clink. So many words. Clink. What is this?
Creep.
Yeah.
Creep.
Creep. Creep.
Creep.
Creep.
Creep.
Creep.
Can spell.
C-R-E-E-P. Creep. The spider was creeping along the bathroom floor.
Okay. Creeping. The crawling. The same creep. Crawl. The same thing. Okay. Now we have a clink. 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 Clink.
Clink.
Clink. Clink.
Clink.
Clink.
Clink.
Clink.
Okay.
Verb. To give us out as
Slight.
sharp. Sharp.
Metallic, like the metal hit something.
Sound.
Okay. Clink. the roller coaster, okay? Creak, creep. You see, at the beginning, the roller coaster crawl, okay? We clink, clink. You hear the sound made by the motorized coast roller coaster.
Clink, creep, crawl.
Clam. So many words. What's that?
Clink,
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 clink. To give out a side sharp so
Metallic.
sound.
Okay. Metallic. I think I should pronounce as metallic.
metallic,
Metallic.
Metal,
metallic,
metal,
metallic,
Okay,
metal.
metallic sound. Okay. And the word clam.
clang,
Clang, clang,
clang,
clang,
clang,
clang.
Okay.
To make a loud
Metallic. Raining
Mm,
sound.
sound.
I think here to art to make
The
characteristic harsh cry of a bird. I think that probably that makes
clang,
make it some harsh cry of bird.
clang,
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 So clam,
clang. And oh,
clam,
oh, please don't stop.
stop. Okay, he's on a roller coaster, so say don't stop. What's that?
Clang,
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 clang, clang, stall,
stop,
stall,
stop,
stall,
stop.
Okay. Yeah, there.
To cause
An engine.
stop, to stop.
Okay, to make something stop. Stop.
stall,
Stop,
stall, stall,
Okay, don't. So please don't stop. The roller coaster don't stop. Stay. I want it to run. Okay, keep going.
the bold text shows
Oh, this one's new word. Never d- So,
stop,
stall,
stop,
stall,
stop,
stall,
okay.
stop, stop.
alliteration,
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 alliteration.
Okay.
The use of word that begins with
Begin.
the same sound with one other.
Another. Okay. Alliteration basically use the
alliteration, alliteration,
Alliteration,
alliteration,
alliteration.
okay, can spell.
ALLITERATION. Alliteration.
Alliteration basically they put the words sounded similar, put it together, right? Creak, creep, that sounded similar. Clink, crawl, climb, crawl, climb. So this 6 words sound similar. Okay, that's alliteration. The body text shows
alliteration,
Alliteration.
alliteration,
Alliteration.
alliteration, alliteration,
alliteration, which is when the same letter or sound is separate,
repeated.
repeated.
Okay, repeat basically. You know repeated. I think you learned it. Do you want to learn repeated?
Yes.
Repeat. Okay. Just keep doing the same thing again and again. That's called repeat. What's that?
alliteration, 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 alliteration,
Okay. Repeat. For example, someone say something, you just do it. That's repeat. Do it again.
repeat, repeat, repeat,
Okay.
To say something again.
repeat, repeat,
You repeat the question.
Okay, repeat the question. Can you spell?
repeat. Repeat.
Okay. Come again. Okay. Which is when the same letter or sound is
Repeated in nearby words. That what is the purpose of this text?
okay. What's the purpose of it? Okay. Oh,
It creates a scary mood heard by describing how climbing roller coaster sounds. Its size signals how fast the roller coaster will go. When it starts to drop, it shows that the roller coaster is
brand
new.
Brand new means just very new. Okay, brand new.
And one of the most popular rides. It's highlights how excited the speaker feels to be on the roller coaster.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Not oh. Is that? Oh, okay. Yeah. I thought okay. I feel okay. Let's just read some of it, okay? Poems.
Poem don't always
directly
state that what the other is trying to tell you, so you often need to look closely at a poem's next text to help you figure out what the poem means. Sometimes details about a poem's characters or events are missing. When this happens, you may need to make inferences or guesses about what happens and why. At other times, a poem
let's stop